Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make very easy buttercream. Very delicious and very easy to make. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Here in our medium bowl we have 125 grams unsalted butter, and this is softened. And here we have 125 grams powdered sugar. So they have the same amount. First, we're going to whisk the butter until creamy. And then we're going to gradually add powdered sugar. So we should gradually add the powdered sugar, because otherwise if you put everything on the butter and during the whisking time, it will blow away. It will mess up your place. So slowly we're going to gradually add the powdered sugar and turn the whisk into medium speed. And when you see that the powdered sugar is mixed with the butter, then you can turn it into high speed. So tell me from which country you are watching right now. I would appreciate if you mention that in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy watching. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be very grateful of your warm support for this channel. So as you can see guys, this cream is very easy to make, but this is very delicious. You can definitely use this cream for frosting your cake, or you can even use it as a filling for some macarons, or any as you like. So I think we already mixed all together. Now we're going to add a half of teaspoon of vanilla extract. The butter turned into really creamy right now, but I prefer that we should add a half of teaspoon of fresh milk. It will enhance the cream to be more creamier and very soft. Before we will give a final whisk, let us craft the sides of the bowl, put them all together, and give the final whisk. Our buttercream is done. Now we are going to put this in our piping bag. In here I have baked macarons. So as you can see, I'm piping the cream and it is very creamy and beautiful. So we are done. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And thank you so much for your full support. God bless you. See you in my next video.